तो हाय देयर अस्सलाम वालेकुम देयर इज माय अनदर TEDx talk और मैं TEDx talk स्वागत है Nalim Hanif begins by explaining that many people spend their lives following routines and expectations without fully understanding what they are passionate about. Society often push people toward careers, lifestyle, or goals that seem safe or socially accepted, but these paths do not always bring happiness or fulfillment. She explains that passion is not always something people discover instantly. Instead, passion often develops gradually through curiosity, experience, learning, failures, and personal exploration. According to Nalim, many individuals people become frustrated because they expected patience to appear suddenly like a perfect answer. However, she believes finding patience is a journey that requires patience and openness. A major theme of the talk is stepping outside comfort zones. Nalim says people can't discover their true interests if they are too afraid to try new things, afraid to failure, criticism, or uncertainty often prevents individuals from exploring their talents and have abilities. She encourages the student, the audience, to experiment with different opportunities, hobbies, and challenges because each experience teaches something valuable about oneself. Even mistakes can failures can help guide people towards their true purpose. Another important point in the talk is self-belief. Nalim explains that many people underestimate themselves or compare their journeys to another. This comparison creates insecurity and supports personal growth. She encourages people to focus on their own strength and progress instead of seeking constant approval from society. She also emphasized that fashion is connected on not only to talent but also to persistence. Loving something does not mean the journey will always be easy. Real fashion requires dedication, discipline, and continuous empowerment. The speaker discussed how discovering in fashion can give life deeper meaning on and motivation. People how work toward sometimes it's something they genuinely care about often feel more energetic, creative, and fulfilled. Education and learning are also highlighted as important tools in the process of self discovery. Nalim believes people should remain curious throughout life and continue developing new skills and ideas. Towards the end of the talk, she delivers a hopeful message. Every person's has unique abilities and potential. The key is to remain open-minded, courageous, and willing to keep searching rather than giving up too early. Main message of the talk, the central message is fashion is discovered through exploration, courage, and persistence. Nalim Hanif encourages people to believe in themselves, embrace challenges, and continue searching for what truly gives their life meaning and excitement. Important themes: self-discovery, fashions and purpose, courage and confidence, personal growth, learning from failure, curiosity and exploration, persistence, following dreams, key learns key lessons. Passions developed through experience and exploration. Fear should not stop personal growth. Failure can help reveal strength and direction. And comparisons yourself to the other is harmful. Growth requires curiosity and efforts. A meaningful life comes from pursuing what truly matters to you. Overall message: the talk is the motivational guide for people searching for direction in life. through through engagement and practical wisdom. Nalim Hanif reminds education that discovering patience is not a single moment but an ongoing journey of learning, courage and self belief. ओके गाइस, तो हम ये अपना टेडेक्स टॉक यहीं खत्म करते हैं। आपसे अगले टेडेक्स टॉक मिलते हैं।